Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Capricorn token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, according to the website, a priori APR is a crypto infrastructure project building an intelligent transaction routing layer designed to optimize performance and security for high-speed blockchains. Core purpose: it acts as a smart traffic director for blockchain transactions, aiming to improve efficiency and capture value from transactions, ordering MEV for the network's benefits. Technical approach: uses a real-time engine to classify and route different types of trades, separating risky from beginning order flow to protect users. Team and backing: founded by engineers and traders from top firms like Jump and Coinbase, with $30 million in funding from investors including Pantera and Consensus. Capricorn project institution rating is 4.3. Capricorn token total supply is 1 billion 220 and circulating supply is around 277.81 million. APR token. APR token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Coinbase, Binance Alpha, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.